Okay, so we actually got this car used. There were a couple of things on it that we just wanted to repair. Now, specifically talking about this mirror on the left side, this is a Toyota Camry. It's an LE, and we got these little windows on the side mirrors to repair it. Now, on the inner corner on the right side, we got it, and it was actually, the plastic part was removed. Like, I don't know how a chunk of it came off, but when we were driving, especially on the freeway and even just like on side streets, you can definitely hear some whistling to it. And that was sort of obviously like a problem because it could get really loud. So we had taped it previously, but then we decided, you know what, let's just repair the couple of things that we can on here. And so we decided to, and it literally is exactly the same thing, and it's automatic as well. The controls are on the inside. It works perfectly fine. It was easy to install, and it's exactly the same style as well too.